Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a responsive FAQ UI with Shopify apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the apps section on the left sidebar. Click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. In the search bar, type FAQ and press enter. Browse through the available FAQ apps. Choose an app that suits your needs and click on it. Review the app details, including features and pricing. Click on the Add App button to install it. Follow the prompts to authorize the installation. Once installed, return to your Shopify admin panel. Locate the new FAQ app in the Apps section. Click to open the app dashboard. Follow any initial setup instructions provided by the app. Customize your FAQ sections by adding categories if the app allows. Begin adding questions and their corresponding answers. Make sure to format your content for readability. Preview your FAQ page to see how it looks. Adjust the layout and design options as necessary. Save your changes after reviewing. To embed the FAQ section on your storefront, copy the provided code snippet. Navigate to the online store section in your Shopify admin. Select Pages to create a new page or edit an existing one. Paste the code snippet into the HTML editor of the page. Save the page and preview it on your live site. Test the FAQ section to ensure it works responsively on different devices. Make any additional tweaks as needed to improve user experience. Check the app's analytics if available to see how often your FAQs are viewed. Keep your FAQs updated regularly based on customer queries. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.